Hey, I'm Christian and welcome to your 60-second tutorial for the weekends. Take my breath. Start by downloading your free cheat sheet that goes with this lesson. Link is in my bio and in the description. Left hand, C, B flat, A flat, G. That's it, set it and forget it. Level 1 is finished. Level 2, right hand, C, A flat, B flat, G. Done. Copy and paste that a bunch of times. Level 3, putting it together. Verse 1. I saw the fire in your eyes. I saw the fire when I looked into your eyes. Next, we go into the pre-chorus. That's B flat to C. It's like a dream where she feels with me. Then finally, the chorus, which is probably the hardest part. C, B flat, A flat. Take my breath away and make it last forever. Done. Practice that a bunch of times. Download the free cheat sheet, and thank you for watching. My name was Christian.